Hello and welcome to this particular video. So today I'm going to be talking about how you can change the text color for the Halloween effects in Instagram. Previously in Paris, Instagram introduced the golden text, golden notes, specifically to celebrate and commemorate the particular event of which it was Olympics. The effects just ended immediately after the Olympic, and for this we also have the Halloween effects, text effects. It looks like golden text. When you type particular keywords, they will turn automatically to golden Halloween Genia. So what you're supposed to do, you'll have to click on messages. You click the message icon, then you open the chat that you want to text. As you can see, for example, the first one is zombie. You can see that golden effect, which looks like summer Halloween. So the second one is vampire. You can see the effect. Another one is Halloween itself. Another one is horror movies. We also have jump scare. We also have skeleton. We also have pumpkin. When you include pumpkin in your message, it will automatically change. We also have boo. We also have ghost. And finally for me, we have costume. Those are not the only keywords. We have so many keywords which you can use to bring the same effect of Halloween. I just highlighted some few, and we have so many others. I will update in due time. So if you have any query or anything you want to ask, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out. So make sure to like this video as a way of appreciating our channel. I won't bother to thank you later. Thank you.